you have learnt a mantra from the Vedic period, right? Rigvedic. Which god are you worshipping in the Rigvedic period? Agni. So I want you to chant the mantra for Lord Agni, that is Lord of Fire, and followed by the Ganesha Stotra. Start. Together. Very good. We are going to do the lesson today differently. I am going to divide the class into groups. What do you prefer? Do you prefer to work alone or do you prefer to work in a group? So let's see how are you going to work in a group today. So what would be your first rule if you want to be in a group? Remember, you are giving me the rules. So what does that mean? You are going to follow them. I am not going to tell you, I have given you the rules, so you will have to follow them. I am saying, you are giving me the rules, so you are making a pact that you are going to follow those rules. Okay? The first rule that I am going to state here would be what? I am not going to talk about discipline. You are all very well disciplined. No? You are very well behaved. You are in your places. You are going to move out of your place. You are going to form groups. Okay. The first one would be form your groups quietly. Form your groups quietly. Next, I will ask you to move when you form your groups. And then you will have to take the places that's been allotted to you. Right? So, how would you move? Are you going to run to your place? Are you going to take your time going to that place? Okay? I have noticed, sometimes when you go to your computer classes, the bell goes and you take your own sweet time to go to the computer class. You're going to form your groups, you're going to move to the places that's been allotted to you. How are you going to move? Quietly and quickly. Yes. Occupy your places quietly and quickly. Right. Thirdly is you're going to form a group of 4. Initially it will be 8, then it's going to be divided into group of 4. What would you do?
We should work in time.
So would you wait for your chance or you will be answering all the time? Correct. So you will have to discuss and work, right? So how would you discuss? Very good. Discuss and discuss softly or in whispers. Okay? Now we have learnt till now that in the early Vedic period they were worshippers of nature. They used to worship plants, they used to worship Varuna, they used to worship Agni. Yeah? In the later Vedic period they were idol worshipping, right? They used to worship all gods and goddesses. I just want you to give me the names of Few gods and goddesses that you remember. I know this forces me to give one rule. Correct. No mass answers. And I'm going to wait for my turn. Yeah, only the boy or girl that I'm going to point out is going to give me the name of. I know you all know the names of all gods and goddesses, right? Very good. Now, give me one name. Name of a single wish. Okay.
Miss Parvati.
Parvati, god or goddesses? Is she a goddess or god?
Miss Goddess.
Goddess, okay.
Miss Krishna.
Krishna. Yeah. Anjaneya or Hanuman? We'll call him Hanuman. Okay. Yeah. Krishna. Krishna is already on. Ganesha. Okay. Yes. Lakshmi. God or goddess?
Goddess.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more I want. Saraswati. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Now, I want you all to, read one name and remember the name that you have read.
Parvati.
Parvati.
Krishna. Shiva. Hanuman.
Okay.
Ganesha. Lakshmi. Saraswati.
Okay.
Vishnu.
Remember the names you have spoken.
Vishnu. Parvati.
Okay.
Krishna. Shiva. Hanuman. Ganesha. Lakshmi.
Okay.
Saraswati. Vishnu.
In that order. Okay, I hope you are following the same order.
Yes, ma'am. Vishnu. Parvati. Krishna. Vishnu.
Okay.
Parvati. Krishna. Shiva.
Right.
Hanuman. Ganesha. Lakshmi. Saraswati.
Roll it and read
Ganesha.
it.
Lakshmi. Saraswati.
Good. I want all Vishnus to come and occupy these two benches. Quietly. First and second, please come out. All the Vishnus, come and occupy this place. All the Parvatis, please come and occupy these two benches. Which is the third group? Krishna, these two benches. The next group, those two benches. Be quick about it. The next group. I want the Lakshmis to sit here and the Saraswati here. So have you followed the ground rule? Yes. Really? Yes, you have. You did take your place quickly, but I don't think quietly. Was it quiet? I don't think it was quiet. Yeah? But anyway, you all took your places very quickly. I'm going to pass a few materials around. You 4 one group. You 3 1. That's okay. You 4, those 3. Have all the groups got the material? Yes! Now all those who have turned round, just turn around and look at me for a minute. Just listen to the instructions, right? I have given you material about later Vedic period and early Vedic period. It looks a lot. What I want to see is whether you're able to read and mark only those lines which are relevant to the worksheet that I'm going to pass around again. So you get 10 minutes to go through the material. You are going to work in a group, so you divide the work among yourself and read and then fill in the worksheet that I'm going to give you. Totally, reading and writing would take about 25 to 30 minutes, right? Not more than that, because you have to complete your work on time. Okay, start reading.
early Vedic period is known as from the Rig Veda. During this period, the kingdom was tribal in character. Organization was family kula. It called clan. Several clans formed the tribe.
They read about the later Vedic period. You can read about early Vedic period. 1 minute. This is your worksheet that I'm going to distribute. I have places for you. You have, on both the sides you have questions. You have to fill in that. You discuss in a group. One person in the group will write. This group is doing very well. Really well. I don't see you all working. Everybody has to write. Thanks for reminding me. Everybody has to write the group name on the top right hand side corner. Not the whole thing. What? Which? Groups. You have to mention Vishnu 1 or Vishnu 2. Because I'm going to collect it to correct. The space I have provided is very short. So you have to write in short. Yeah? Here. And the title, it can be what activity you are doing. It could be just life of Vedic people. It could be Vedic age. Whatever you want to give the title, you can. Right? You can write Vedic age, life of Vedic people, or anything that you think of. Early Vedic people traded with different countries. Later Vedic people traded with different countries. In 10 minutes, I'm going to ask you to come and give you your answers. Social life or economic life?
Social life.
I'll just give you a clue. Let's take one question, the Varna system, right? I've given you space after the Varna system and I've said early Vedic period, later Vedic period. We know when was the Varna system very rigid? Early Vedic period or later Vedic period? So you have to just mention the Varna system existed in the early Vedic period. It was very rigid in the later Vedic period. That's all I want to answer. Don't write the whole paragraph. Very good. Status and dignity of women. Don't you think, do you think this is, I mean you can mention that here under status of women. Here. Countries, you're telling me countries, name of the countries are there in the passage, find out and write. See, you are supposed to find the answers from here. Okay. You have any trouble finding answers? You have to read. That's why you divide the work. Stop writing. I'm not going to ask the groups to share the answers about economic life, political life, social life, because all those answers are there in the reading material that I've given you. Agreed? I'm more interested in knowing your answers about the last question. You're just going to answer the last question. One person from each group. We start with Vishnu 1. If you are given a chance to live in the Vedic period, which period would you choose? Early Vedic period or later Vedic period? Give at least 2 to 3 reasons. Come on.
We choose early Vedic period because in early Vedic period we are getting good fresh air and we are getting good surroundings and we are getting fresh water.
Fresh water and air is not available in the later Vedic period. What else? What else made you choose the early Vedic period? Because they worship nature? Is that what you think? Okay. Group 2, Vishnu 2. What are your answers?
Early Vedic period because the women were high respected.
Women
Women
were,
were high respected and there was a freedom.
they had a lot of freedom. Excellent. Now the next group, Parvati 1.
We choose early Vedic period because position of women was highly respected. They were treated equally.
Are you all listening?
They were treated equally. We were getting fresh air and water, but not in later Vedic period.
Okay. Next group, Krishna 1. Are you ready with that answer? 2.
We chose early Vedic period because women were highly respected. They were free to choose their husbands. They participated in public meetings. We chose the early Vedic period because it was not rigid.
What was not rigid in the early Vedic period? What system was not rigid in the early Vedic period? Varna system. Varna system means caste system, right? So everybody was treated equally. Very good choice. Come on, next group.
Early Vedic period because we chose early Vedic period because women were highly respected. There was no rule that a son of a doctor should be a doctor. The early Vedic period were well respected, disciplined.
Okay, who was respected in the early Vedic period?
Miss the woman.
The women were respected. Very good. Okay, the next group, Ganesh 1. Read.
We chose early Vedic society because the women were highly respected and there were no vehicles. And they were getting good surroundings and they were getting more air and water.
Next group, loudly.
I would have chosen early Vedic period because women were highly respected. There was no higher pollution. Family was the basis. Veda laid great stress.
What about the caste system? Would you like to mention about that?
There were no many cars and there were no many pollution.
So how is that going to affect the society?
It would have killed the plants and affected the
Caste
plants.
system, Varna system.
Miss, you will tell it.
Okay, tell. The system was not rigid in the early Vedic period. It became very rigid in the later Vedic period. Come on.
We choose to live in early Vedic period because there were no caste system, there was no religion restricted. We get freedom in early Vedic period. Women were highly respected. Varnas were not rejected.
Very good. Excellent answer. Come on.
We choose to live in early Vedic period because in early Vedic period there were no pollution and women were enjoyed their freedom. The people were very traditional.
Good. Now, what have you learned today in this activity? You learned about the social life, the economic life, the political life, the religious life of both the early Vedic period and the later Vedic period. Now, to continue with the activities, you've already done a survey on the education in the family, right? 3 generations you've done. How educated was your mother? Is your mother, her mother and her mother, so great grandmother, right? Okay, the groups, Tejasvi, you collect their sheets, worksheets from this row. You collect from this row. You collect from this row and give it to me. No, the others will not leave their place. Join your hands for the prayer. That you can do. We pray together, not while you're moving around.